Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today I just want to talk to you guys about starting this process off with your sunglasses in Onshape. The first thing that I've done is I've created my general dimensions for this construction box outside that is half the width of my main object. It also has the width of one of my lenses from the nose piece over. And we have a general height for the height of my sunglass case, right? And then I went through this and I've created my shapes within that based upon my sketch. So I have offsetted some of my arcs to get my interior pieces. I've changed some of the dimensions along the way, but all in all here, I've created the sketch using the arc tool, using the fillet tool, using things that we've worked on in the past. As we go through this process, right? And again, just a quick little reminder, the arc tool itself, or the fillet tool itself, when you want to use that, you're going to select this up here, and then you're going to go through and select the two corners of your object, and it will put a fillet in there, and you can change the radius of this to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so I'm just gonna undo that change real quick. Draw it up, extrude that out, and one thing that I forgot to mention, it's really important that the nose piece again is split right down the middle, and that this line is perfectly vertical, because we're going to be mirroring off of that line later on also. Another thing that I did in this sketch is I was good about setting it up so that my earpiece is mirrored on the center line here. You know, I really want this thing to be folded on the other side later on. So you guys can go through and start designing your shapes, start extruding your shapes, and once you get to the halfway point like this here, where you're halfway done with your frame, you're ready to start moving onto the hinges and mirroring the frame. You can move on to the part 2 video. All right, here we go.